I bet you didn't know AI could be your next coworker or your replacement. So, AI is everywhere these days, right? From Siri setting alarms to self-driving cars. But here's the million-dollar question. Is AI stealing our jobs or making new ones? First up, the bad news. Yes, some jobs are becoming obsolete, manufacturing, data entry, even some driving jobs. But here's the twist. AI is also creating jobs. Think about it. AI engineers, data analysts, cybersecurity experts, all these roles didn't even exist a decade ago. Plus, AI is making our lives easier by handling repetitive tasks, so we can focus on creative and strategic work. Imagine a world where your job is more about innovating and less about boring routines. Sounds cool, right? So is AI a job killer or a creator? It's a bit of both. The key is adaptability. Embrace the change, upskill, and you could be riding the AI wave to your next big career move. Don't fear the robots, folks. They might just be giving you your dream job. To stay updated about AI, don't forget to subscribe to AI World.